Hello and welcome back to another coding session with Mr. Jacob. um, Today we will see how long we need for this session. We will do something with our recent project, the XKCD sync system, which we wrote in the last video. I'm already here in the folder. It's a Rust project, and it simply goes ahead, and if you run it, it will download all of the XKCD comics and store them, their images, in a comics folder here, and save the current state in these XKCD sync state JSON, so that when we are attempting to run and fetch the data again, we will see that shortly, it stores the information what it already fetched. Like here, it will store it every 50 fetches, just intermittently store the data, and we will now be able to stop that and rerun it. And as we can see, it started from 550 instead of from the direct beginning. So we are currently syncing all the comic files, and once we have all of those gone through, we can then easily just sync always the newest comic. What I want to do today is I want to use this here as an excuse to look at a crate named cross term, because I don't particularly like this output here, so I want to implement a simple progress bar for it. And yeah, I know there are a lot of finished and polished progress bars, but as I said, I want to use it as an excuse to take a look at crossterm, which is a library for Rust, a library with not that many dependencies, I guess, which is capable of addressing different terminals in all of the different needed ways, so that we can easily do some ANSI control sequences and stuff like that, and move the cursor around and clear lines and all of that stuff, abstracted away in different for different terminal platforms, like the Windows terminal, the different Linux terminals, and so on. And therefore, I just decided I wanted to play around with this thing to get to know it a little. And I've actually not looked at this before, so it's the first time. And yeah, I want to implement a progress bar using this with you today. So I already see there are different modules here. We can obviously move the cursor and get some events, do some styling and stuff like that. So yeah, maybe let's just start and go ahead as we mostly do, and just implement what we want here. So let's do and implement a simple progress bar. Yeah, I guess we will start this one in a different module, because maybe we want to reuse it. I don't know. Let's call it CLI progress, or status bar, maybe progress bar, I guess. CLI, let's call it CLI progress. Let's create a new file called CLI progress.rs. There we go. So yeah, let's think about this. I guess we will need some sort of structure like progress bar. It will need to be public because it is in another module now. So okay, we have this progress bar, and we don't actually know what we want to store in property-wise there. So let's just do an impl progress bar, and let's just hack along. So we will properly have some sort of new function returning self here, and that will be an empty self for now. Yeah, it is not called yet, so let's maybe fix that by let's maybe create the usage here first, so that we can see what we would like to do. Okay, where would be the first part where we do that? This is actually a normal print line there. This may already be some sort of status bar information. So let's maybe create a progress bar here. PB equals progress bar new. So now we have that. We need to import progress bar, of course. Wait, what? I guess the function is private. That's of course a problem. Yeah, we have a use CLI progress bar there. Okay. So let's see, progress bar. Yeah, we created a new progress bar. And I guess we want to do something here like PB update and then maybe a percentage like so. We will, do we want to provide floating point percentage? No, I don't think so. So I guess we will want to do that. Something like this. Yeah, so I guess let's implement the update function then. Pub update. I took a percentage, which is, don't know, usize, and I took a description, one could say, which was should be a string pointer. And we should return a result because I am, or do we even need a result? I'm not sure if something can go wrong actually. Maybe we don't need a result here. So let's see. Expected an item. Yeah, there is an fn missing. So now we have this update function. What should this update function do for us? I guess it should print something. So let's for now just print line the percentage and the description maybe. So let's see. And now no method named update found for struct progress bar in the current scope. Wait, what? Oh, I missed the self here. Yeah, sure thing. So now we have that. So let's go ahead and refactor the rest so that we can see if our API will hold up to what we need to do. So we need the percentage here. So the percentage will most likely be, do we want to provide always the percentage, or do we want to provide some sort of stepping, like for example the count of numbers here? Let's go with percentage first, and then we can change it later. So the percentage here would be that we have num divided by latest num multiplied by 100, I guess. And yeah, and this would be our description here. So oh, we need to give it as a reference to this created format string here, 3 format, and let's go to the next print line. That's an error. We don't want to touch that. Let's context there. There's our next thingy. So PB update. I guess it's the same thing. It's num divided by latest num times 100. And we can change this into a format call, and we need to pass it as a reference there. Okay, so where is the next thing? This is an error again. Yeah. Wait, this is the, oh yeah, this is the saving we do all 50 entries. So I guess this would be a PB update as well. The question is, what percentage does it? It should be inside the loop, isn't it? It is inside the loop. So come on. So we can do actually the same thing and can say num divided by latest num times 100. Come on, times 100. And then we will simply take this here put it there, pass it by reference, format, and I guess we should already be in a state to use our CLI progress. So let's quickly check this. Okay, so is this really 0? Are we really at 0%? This looks kind of false to me. So we are dividing number, because we are doing it in integer space, aren't we? Damn it. So let's maybe change that. But then we would need to round it here, or to floor it at least, and convert it back. So we would need to floor it, and then we would, as usize. I'm not 100% sure I want to provide the percentage as a usize, but we will see. Maybe we will change to steps anyways later on. So let's check this one. Okay, this looks more reasonable. Yes, 21%, 22%. Okay, that makes more sense to me. So now we have to kind of implement drawing of the progress bar here. So let's first of all check out how to draw it, and then let's take a look at cross-term on how to redraw it, kind of. So what we actually want to do here is something like, I guess, let's maybe define some sort of a constant, which is progress bar default template or something like that. Or maybe just default template. We are already in the CLI progress module. Oh yeah, we need to define it as a, wouldn't it be a static? I guess it will be a static reference then. So let's see, let's something like working, and then maybe something like percentage, and maybe then the progress bar, and then we want something like the description, something like that. Wait, what's expected type? Yeah, there is a type. What? Wait. Static str. Makes sense. So yeah, so let's maybe do that. Can we can easily most likely replace that, can't we? So what we could do for now is we could do something like print line, default template, no, we can't. We actually can't. We have to create a string from it first. Can I put this here as a string initially? Is that possible? I'm not sure that this is possible. No, it's not. Okay, so then let's just do that. Let's make a let template equals string from default template. This should actually work, and then we can do something like template replace, and we replace the percentage with the percentage. Must be string literal. Yeah, isn't it? No, wait. Format argument must be a format arg. Oh. Yeah. So we need this one here, and I guess we can just convert that into a string slot trade bound. So interesting. I can't do that? Wait, you can't? Do I really need to do something here like string new percentage, and then reference that one here. This is this one, this is this, there's one missing. It's a string from, of course. So, no, it's not. It's not. How do I do that? Okay, then I'm not sure, but this will work, of course. So I would be able to do that. That should actually definitely work, because this should format it into a string. And maybe it's even the way you do something like that. I guess you can, but no, you can parse strings into numbers, but numbers into strings? Yeah, I don't know. So, but we want not only to replace this one, we want to replace the other things as well. So we have progress. Okay, let's just have that there now, and we replace first description. So let's get the description going like this. So we take the description here. That should be no problem at all. And now if we run our software, we should see, okay, this works kind of, at least. Now we need to render the progress. So let's see. I guess we need to determine first how big the terminal is, I guess. That would be the thing to do here. So let's take a look at cross term. Is there any way to is there something like size or so? Terminal size returns the terminal size. Okay. Terminals. So let's do that, I guess. It returns. Yeah, it returns culs, rows, but the rows we don't need. So let's see. Cross term terminal size. What? No, I don't want to. I just, oh, I should maybe add the cross term dependency first. Otherwise, it will be kind of a problem to. Oh, this can actually fail. I see. So what we need to do is context get terminal size, and we actually need then to return a result here, and there, and we need to use anyhow result, and not only result but also context. Wait, where did I kind of made a fuck up here of, wait, what's that? Why is that there? Okay. So now we should have actually the terminal size. So we should be able to calculate some things. We should be able to calculate how much space we have for our progress bar. So I guess first of all we will need something like let's take this, because this is already kind of nice. Let preprocessed template equal that, so that we now have a string in there that has already percentage and description replaced. And then we will go ahead and see. Let's do something like template without progress. Maybe we don't even need that, as we know how big the progress word is. So let's do something like size without progress. No, wait. We can directly calculate that. Progress size or progress len is preprocessed template len minus, how long is progress actually? 1 character, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's a nice round number. Minus 10 characters. So we are actually providing here information or how long the progress may be. It's the template length. So it's cals minus the process template length minus 10, but we need to put brackets here. And yeah, and why is this not? What is the problem here? Why did the IDE put a expected use? So let's just do as use size here. And now we should have the length, the maximum length we can use for our progress. So that sounds kind of nice, I guess. So now we need to decide how to build up our progress. So maybe do something like default start char. Yeah, I guess this is usually something like a square bracket. Then we would, it's a char, of course. And then maybe default end char. We could maybe in the future make this configurable. Why not? That's something we could actually store in our progress struct then. So default start char, default end char, default, let's call it full char. That's usually, I guess, something like an equal sign or maybe a hash sign. Let's do a hash sign. And we could maybe in the future do Unicode there as well. And we have an empty char, which would be either a space or a minus. Let's maybe do a minus. So, okay. So now we need to kind of build up our character buffers. So first of all, we need to do something like progress equals string new. So we have an empty progress, and then we can just push the default start char here. Oh yeah, it needs to be mutable, of course. And I've just put this too low, so maybe, hopefully you could see that anyways. So now, and we will do something like progress push default end char at the end. We will do something like default end char at the end here, and in between we need to put our progress bar. So what we need to do here is something like for I in 0 to, so now we need to calculate based on the percentage how many characters we have. So we have progress len -2 because we already have the default start char and the default end char. So what we actually need to do is something like we need to take our percentage divided by 100, and there we go again with float. Maybe we want to take the percentage as a float, percentage as F32, and we want to actually divide it by 100. And now we need to multiply it by the calls as F32 as well. Yeah. And we need actually to floor that value and use that as a use size. Holy shit. Okay. So, and we actually don't need this one because we don't need the index. We just want to do progress, push, and we will push the full character in there. And now what we need to do is for more or less the same thing here. We need just we need to do the inverse. So Wait, so no. Let me quickly think. We need to do the rest. So progress len, but -2 minus that, because -2, because we have the start and the end. Though we need to calculate this in here. So now we should actually fill up the rest with the, no, not the full char, the empty char. So let's check that. Let's do that. And now let's, we should maybe do something like, don't know, print line progress here, just for the fun of it. Progress, format argument must be, yes, always the same. Always this. So let's see. No. Cargo run. Okay, that actually does not look. Oh, wait. I printed the progress. I should have actually put this into this prepared string. So what I want actually here is, how did I call it? Preprocessed template. Preprocessed template. Replace progress with progress. Yeah, I guess this should actually work. Okay, this looks kind of promising. So yeah, we have a proper creation and spacing of our progress bar. Nice. Sorry, needed to make a short break because the cat wanted some attention and some food for that matter. Okay, so let's see. We have the progress now. So we should be able to actually, so we have the output now, so we should now be able to check out how actually this cross-term thingy here works. I've already seen something like here, module cursor. Like, is there move to column, move to row, move to next line, move to previous line, move down up to, and so on and so on. Is there something like removing to the end or something like that? Save position, restore position. Yeah, we could actually use that as well. So maybe we just want to. So how do we actually? Oh, command execution. How do we actually use that? So it seems to me that okay, we simply std out q. Okay, so let's do exactly that. So let mut std out equals std out. So that should be, I guess, std io std out. Yes. So now let's see. Maybe we can do something like std out q, and then there was this command, and there was, what was there? Move to. So cursor. We need to import cursor from use cross-term cursor. And then, so cursor, and there was something like save position. Yes. So let's do something like cursor save position. No method name q found for struct std out. So do we need to, queuable command. Okay, I guess they're implementing that as a trait on, okay, that makes sense actually. Queuable command. So yeah, okay. And that gives us a result as well. So let's introduce a context here. Store cursor position before rendering. Okay, so now what we want to do is we most likely want to do something like std out q, and we need some sort of command to delete, no, clear. Okay, is that we clear the whole terminal here? Sounds a little bit like it because we are in the terminal module, but what's that clear type enum? Ah, okay. All purge from cursor down, from cursor up, current line. Current line, perfect. That's exactly what we want. So what was that terminal then? So let's import that. What was it? Clear, and then clear type. Where's this terminal clear type? Okay. Terminal clear type current line. Context. Clear the old status bar. Okay, so and now we should be able to, I guess, simply do std out write all, and yeah, I guess we need this. Come on. And I guess we need it as bytes or something like that. Can write all actually fail? No, does not. Okay, so wait. Write all, not wait, what? Is it not called write all? std out should be a writer. So write all. Okay. Context print status progress bar. And I wrote status bar here as well. So progress bar. And let's move this up a little bit. So yeah, context print. Okay, so now we have printed that one, and now we should std out q. What was it? Cursor restore position. Maybe that should actually work. Context move cursor back. Move back to initial position. Okay, so and now we need to std out flush, I guess. Can fail as well. Okay. Flush std out. So where's my terminal? There's my terminal. Let's see what happens now. Ah, okay. I guess that worked quite nicely. Nice. We can see the progress here. The percentage is moving. The bar is moving. That's actually really nice. I guess we are more or less done. Interesting. So maybe, just maybe, we could do something like have a maximum for the bar, because kind of I'm not sure if I wanted to span the whole terminal, especially not if it's a lot bigger. And so maybe have something here like const default max width or something like that. That would be a use size, and let's just do the usual 80 columns, or better even 79 columns, just to be on the safe side. And let's see, when we are actually creating this template, okay, we can never be smaller than the given description plus our formatting. I guess that's to be expected. So yeah, I guess then that this here should be process template len. Wait, this value here, or combined with the minimum of default max width. So actually, this should then give us the. No, wait. What am I doing? That doesn't make sense. We want the calls to let calls equal calls.min default max width, I guess. Expected use 16. Okay, I guess we can do that. I can absolutely live with that. So now let's see if my terminal is, yeah, it is obviously bigger than 80 columns, but now, yeah, I guess this looks a little nicer. Yeah, I actually like that. Maybe we could hide the cursor, but I'm not a big fan of hiding cursors. So maybe this is just how it's going to be. Yeah, nice thing. So yeah, let's. Oh, we need. Just forgot that we need something like an end to clear the line or to print a new line. Then I guess so. Maybe we need something like. Yeah, like an end function here, I guess. So, however, I've never been a big friend of those specific progress bars where you always had a problem with if you are printing an error within the processing or something like that, then you first need to know that the progress bar is rendered and you need to attach a new line or something like that. So maybe we can easily fix that, as we are saving the position and restoring the position. Who does say we can't do something like who does say we can't do something like std out write all and just put a new line here and do context print new line. And this should actually mismatch type. Yeah, so mismatch type reference. Oh, can I do as bytes here? Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. So no, wait. The restore position doesn't work anymore then? Okay, so the restore position does only work in the same line? Or did I just... yeah, it seems so, but it doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. Okay, then let's do this. Let's not store the position. Let's just std out q cursor. There was something like move to column. That's nice. So let's just move to column 0, context, move to column 0, and have something like then, okay, we are clearing the line then, we are writing all that, and yeah, but then we need to wait, let me think. We need not only move to column 0, but we need to move actually one column up. One row up. But this, of course, only is possible once we have printed the first status. Okay, so we kind of need to remember that somewhere. I don't like that, actually. Can't we let's just introduce something like... yeah, maybe we will leave it as it is and live with the fact that we are overriding this stuff once we where were we here there once we are overwriting it once we print an error or something like that. I guess we will live with it for now, because everything else is kind of a bad thing, I guess. Yeah, so, but this works as well. So and we are seeing if an error is printed that is taking the full line, it of course works because it is overriding it. But yeah, I guess we have to live with that, and I guess that's okay. Yeah, nice. I wouldn't have thought that this is that it will go this smoothly. So let's quickly add a little committing, some commits here. So source cargo, no, cargo, add cross term dependency. Holy shit. Can't type today. So git add source CLI progress, implement simple progress bar, git add source main, git CI, use CLI progress for need progress bar reporting. Okay. Yeah, I guess this works. So as always, you will find the code on GitHub. It will be linked down below in the description. And if you like what you saw here and had fun following it or playing with it or just watching me, please like and subscribe. You know, the usual. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.